Well, today was my day that I was going to make a bunch of videos with my CZ, do a couple more ammo tests, but of course it has to be like one of the windiest days of the week, and basically the only day I had to shoot this week. So I started playing with my son and then decided to shoot a little video with the XT-22. Stay tuned, this is the video. Welcome to Brotuned, guys. Today we have a special little video, 50 yards for groups with CCI center velocity. Super crazy windy out today, so I'm not going to do my normal test with the CZ. But me and my son are just out plinking, so I figured why not. I put the Arkin SH4 on the XT-22. Gonna have 5-shot groups, 50 yards on a paper target. First shot, it'll be up the left side, middle, left edge of that plus sign shape thing. Alright, that's the first 5 shots. Now I'll go for dead center. Aiming for the center. Okay, the next 5 shots, I'm going to aim for the very top of the plus sign. Oh, that was a very good group for a CCI center velocity in a very inexpensive rifle. Impressive. Shoots fairly well, this rifle. Maybe I should run it through some of the more expensive ammos and see what it could do as well. But this is your off-the-shelf Marlin XT-22. One of my first rifles I ever bought. First rifles on this channel, basically. I did the camo stock on it. How to paint your rifle DIY with rattle cans. If anyone's interested in seeing more with the XT-22, hit me up, leave a comment down below, and maybe I'll do some more of these videos as well. I'll show you the target next. Well, that's a really nice group. Unfortunately, my downrange camera died, so we lost a lot of the other groups. But I'll show you them quickly. So quite a few of them are at about 1 inch, some are 3/4. Then you get a few like this and that one. They're pretty good. So like maybe if you sort ammo, oh yeah, this one's pretty cool too. 3 shots in the 1 hole and then 2 flyers. But it is what it is. Plinking ammo, and that's what you get.